buyer of tools and cleaning and organization, has been working on a project for the last 2 years, and we actually launched an item about 1.5 years ago on our shelves. So we sell big trash cans in our area, and we have a trash can that we introduced that we're very proud of. It's made out of 100% recycled plastic, which is a big deal. And this item has been performing very well. So I'd like to invite Rusty Hames to join me on stage. We're going to tell you how we got here, how the process works, and then what the benefits are. So Rusty, this is the item. We brought an example, of course, to show all of you. Retails at $24.97. We'd love for you to go find it in stores. Why don't you walk us through Pioneer products and what you do?
Okay, thanks, Stephanie. What we did about 2 years ago, we go to Brandon, and we tell them we have a trash can. It's a high quality, low cost, made of 100% recycled material, and we ended up showing him this slide that, let me get back to okay. So anyway, I will tell you about Pioneer, our company first. EcoArc is a family of companies, and Pioneer is just one of those families of companies. We have 3 other companies, and we have booths back there. You need to go back and take a look at those. There's some real cool, exciting sustainability things that they're doing. I want to talk to you about Pioneer, who were founded in 2005. Our headquarters are just across the parking lot over here at the J.B. Hunt building. All of our manufacturing is done in the United States. We have 4 plants throughout the United States that does injection molding. We also have a compounding plant in Oakwood, Georgia, that makes the resin pellets. That's all the recycled material. So we've been a supplier for 9 years, and our focus is now and always has been on green technologies and sustainable solutions. So when we went to Brandon, we told him about the trash can. Told him it's, like I said earlier, low cost, high quality, made from 100% recycled material. Also during that process, we showed him this slide that you guys see up there, and told him not only were we going to do recycled material, we were going to take Walmart products and recycle it back in and do a closed loop solution. So the slide you see there is a slide that we showed Brandon that we would do. And we've done exactly what we said we would do on that slide. So what we've got done is we take an icing bucket, which is this right here. This is Sam's and Walmart. When they make a cake back in the deli, the icing comes in this bucket. And Walmart does a lot of icing. So we get a lot of these buckets. And what we do, we take the icing bucket, we shred it up in little pieces, like this right here, mix it up with other plastics to get the properties that we need to make a pellet to put in to make a trash can. So what we do, we blend that up with other plastics, melt it down and do a process called extrusion. It makes a resin pellet. We own that plant. Actually, it's down in Georgia, I saw you earlier. And then we send it to one of our molders throughout the United States, and it makes this trash can. And it's been a really great, successful program, and we're very happy to be part of the solution.
So Rusty, there's a lot of benefits to talk about, right?
Yes.
So it's a little bit like baking a cake, but they're using our Walmart waste materials to actually do it, which is pretty exciting. In addition, as Andy mentioned earlier, there's lots of benefits of using recycled plastic. So this is all manufactured in the U.S., and it's using our own products from our return centers. There's over 3 million pounds of recycled plastic being used in making this trash can every month. And I think about 125,000 of those are actually from this icing bucket right here, which is pretty cool. Now, we also like to sell things at Walmart too. And so we tell you this item, as I mentioned, it's $24.97, but the costs are very competitive, as well as the quality. So using plastic, fully 100% recycled, the quality has been great. We've had no issues there too, which is a big win for our customers as well. We're so excited about how this item's performing. We're actually going to do a fall promotion on this item in the upcoming season. So wanted to let you know that big news as well. Not only can you use this recycled plastic on trash cans, though, there's a lot of other products in our stores that we feel like this material could be leveraged with as well. So why don't you walk us through what those are?
Yeah, down in our plant in Georgia, we also take the Walmart material. We take more than just the icing buckets, but we work with the Walmart reverse logistics team, and for anything that's sold in the store that goes back to return center, we can get that. And so what we do is we process that, and like Dinah said earlier, it's kind of like making a cake. We take all those materials and make it And we also supply that to other suppliers. It's not just for us. We actually do the closed loop, all internal. We own all the pieces of it, but we also have the ability to have other suppliers make product from the recycled material we're getting from Walmart. So if you're out there and you're a supplier of any plastics, come and see us at our booth, and we'll talk to you about getting some of the Walmart plastic into your product so you can participate in the program. And it's a win-win for everybody. So thanks.
All right, thanks, Rusty. We'd encourage you to go see what they have and also to shop our hardware and paint aisle as well. With that, I'll hand it back over to Andy Barron.
Nice job. Nice job. Yeah, nice job. Great job. Could we thank EcoArc and API again for a great job today? Yeah. Clicker here. One more area before we